Comes in colors pink and pleasant, glows in the dark cause it's iridescent. Take it with you when you travel far.
Boys, Dave's got me on the bublies hard. Says if I don't get 4 in me tonight, I don't get my supper. Last night I had 6 and I was just screaming about Bob, Bob, just screaming the burps. Michael Bubly came out with these things. Well, hey Dave.
How's it going, Josh?
I'm working on my first bubbly.
That's good. That's good. Get rid of those awful Joe Louis and you'll be prepped up before you know it.
Are you gonna let me out of here? Anytime, I've been in here for like 10 days now.
You look like you're doing okay.
That's one. What's this one we got here? Bubbly pamplemousse. What the fuck's that mean, Charlie? What's pamplemousse?
That's French, bro.
Oh, grapefruit.
You gonna drink or what? Get a menu.
I'm trying. You know how hard it is to drink these things? I think you're only supposed to have 1 or 2, maybe. Not 6 a night.
Shut the fuck up.
He's like a chameleon if you move real slow. He doesn't fucking notice.
Hey! What the hell are you doing?
Just getting some nutrition.
It's mine. You got your freaking bubbly shit.
Sorry. I gotta stretch my legs.
Hey, I'm the law here, okay?
You can't
No
be...
one else.
Okay, alright. Hey, what do you got keys for? There's latches. Doesn't even have locks.
Shut the fuck up.
Jesus Christ.
If I want keys for this thing, I'll have keys.
Alright, but it doesn't have a lock. It's locks from the outside with latch.
Just fucking drink.
Right.
Don't worry about anything.
It's my second, though. It's my second bubbly. Burps are starting to be a bit more shallow. Staying up high.
Drive that in you.
Hey, Eve, I already had a pineapple. Is there any other one I can have?
How about the green?
A green?
A green.
I feel like that blimp that went down, a Heisenberg or something?
Heisenberg.
Heisenberg.
It was full of hydrogen. It's no wonder it blew up.
It's getting tight in the lower region.
Still got 2 to go, Josh. After that one.
This is my third.
Show me the empty cans. Where are they?
One. 2.
I only see 1.
You just threw one down behind you.
That's my drink.
Burps are getting vicious.
Right, Josh, time to lock her up.
It's latches, Dave. See you making sounds there with your mouth.
She's locked.
Okay. You're lucky I have bad hips and I can't get out of here. I do appreciate you opening the door. Oh, God.
Well, it's got air conditioning.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, you can't. Freaking wind comes right through, goes right through. Have fun in the wintertime, though, in here.
Winter time? I'm not staying in here 2 more days.
I'll let you out, but when winter comes, I have to put you back in.
Yeah, why? How does that math work? Why?
There's nothing to do. You gonna go back Albert driving again? You know how that turned out.
You know how that turned out. At least I fucking tried something. Fuck off! At least I tried something.
See you, Josh.
I ain't gonna drink the last two. You don't need those fucking keys, it's lacking. Oh, my stomach's getting tight. That's 3. One more. Yeah, you stand up in the burps. They start to come out a little stronger.
Shut the frick up!
That was a planter. Dave? My stomach hurts. This is my 4th bubbly. The burps are coming in waves. Some are little. Some are larger. Dave, you said 4.
That is 4.
That's 4. This is 5. I already had a pineapple one. It was my first one. You gonna let me out? How am I supposed to open this?
I can open it for you. Hang on a sec. Alright, come on out.
What?
Josh, for fuck's sakes, it's just as bright out here as in there. You don't have to fucking squint.
What?
Drink up.
Alright, I'm not going back in tonight.
Stop! It's okay, Josh. It's okay. Well, the outdoors. It's okay. It's okay. You want to go back in?
Yeah, I'm scared.
Okay, come on. Let him go.
Oh god, I'm stuck. Dave, I need help. I don't know how to get out of here.
Fuck's sakes.
Put me back in my pen, please.
Get out. Go. Follow the yellow line.
Yeah,
See, you can't handle it being outside anymore, eh? That's what I figured. Lock.
Five bublies is too much.
Ah.